So just arrive, see how you're arriving, checking in, adjusting your posture to be a little bit more comfortable. Extending your spine slightly, comfortably. And softening wherever needs to be softened. And relaxing just a little bit more. And we'll start the slow roll with the head. So as slow as you can, just gently rolling the head, not too far, just within your capacity. See if you can go slower. And in your own time, doing the second roll in whatever direction feels right. Welcoming any creaks and the third roll in the same direction. And you're welcome to go more slowly than me. Or if it's activating, you can also go more quickly. And when you're finished the third roll, just checking in with the neck and head. Maybe it feels more awake or somehow different. And slowly we'll roll in the other direction. So the opposite of what you rolled already, letting the head drop forward. And as slow as you can, rolling. And once more, in your own timing. And the last one, remembering to breathe. And coming back to your meditation posture when you're ready. Noticing what changed. And in the direction that calls to you, slowly rolling the shoulders. See if you can go even slower. We'll do 3 rounds in the direction you chose first. Welcoming any sighs, burps, or farts. They're coming. And when you're finished your 3 slow rolls, just seeing how that lands in the body. And when you're ready, try the other way. Maybe one way feels better than the other. All is good. And see if you can go even slower to mindfully move the shoulders. And coming into stillness, but noticing internally what's happening. Maybe it's not still, maybe there's some subtle sensations. And we'll rotate the elbows so as slow as you can, rotating the elbows. You can have your arms out or lower if that's more comfortable. Letting gravity help you. You can go even slower. And when you finish the 3 in your own time, you can go in the other direction. Feeling the difference of up and down. Oh, that one felt great for me. I don't know how it felt for you. And then when you're ready, we'll slowly roll the wrists, allowing and inviting any cracks that might happen, and seeing if it's comfortable to go even slower. And resting the hands on the knees or the thighs, wherever feels comfortable. And noticing the aliveness in our precious wrists. And in your own time, doing the other direction as slow as feels good. Remembering to breathe. And finally, resting our arms that do so much work for us, allowing them to rest and take in that care. Maybe there's a warmth or a vibration or a flow or something else. And we'll just rotate the torso. See if you can go even slower. I mean, technically, we could go even slower, but we don't have enough time. But if you're watching in the future, you could pause it and go slower. And then the other way, rotating in a way that feels good for your body in this moment. Could be tiny or bigger. Taking a big breath if you want, or a couple big breaths. And lastly, we'll put our legs out if we're sitting and rotating the ankles.